Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about perfect squares and square roots. Okay, so first we touch on perfect squares, which are the squares of whole numbers. So again, perfect squares are the squares of whole numbers. And so what do I mean by squares? Well, I'm saying to multiply the number that pound sign means number. Multiply the number by itself. Okay, so if we think about what is a whole number, because it says here that it's the square of a whole number. So we start with the first whole number, which we learned last video, 0. And so what does it mean to square? Well, to square it, we should put 0 squared. Well, what does that mean? 0 squared means 0 times 0. And that equals 0. So the square of 0 is 0. Now let's look at 1. We have 1 squared. And that means 1 times 1. We multiply the number by itself. So 1 times 1 equals 1. So 1 squared is 1. And so the number 1 is a perfect square. If I said, hey, take 2. 2 is a whole number. What is 2 squared? Well, I would take 2 times 2, and that would give me 4. So 4 is a perfect square because 2 times 2 gives you 4. And if you notice, all these numbers are whole numbers. Next up, let's have 3. So what is 3 squared? Well, we do 3 times 3, and that gives you 9. And again, 9 is still a whole number. So 9 is a perfect square. I'll do one more. You have, pick a color here. You have 4. 4 squared is 4 times 4. And that gives me 16. So 16 is a perfect square. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to do this all the way until you get to 15. Okay, so 4 squared, 16, 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared, 8 squared, all the way until you get to 15 squared. And so we'll have the perfect squares all the way to 15.